Festival, or the online Nourished Festival. So I'm going to start with these are really cool. So these are the Goody Girl S'mores cookies, and this is their newest flavor for the summer. And these are gluten-free. All the Goody Girl cookies are made gluten-free, but these ones are also made without dairy. So I'm gonna make some good recipes out of this. And these are really good. So they sent us 2 boxes and we've eaten one already, and they taste amazing. Next one is this Thrive sauce. I haven't tried this yet. They sent one of these. It's a coconut yellow curry sauce. And so this one is good for stir fries, different things like that. This one is made with coconut milk. So it is nut-free and dairy-free, and also gluten-free and vegan. This is a gluten-free naturals all-purpose flour, and this one is created by a naturopathic doctor, if I remember correctly. So there's no xanthan gum in this blend. I haven't made anything with this flour yet, but I'm going to go ahead and make some things with these different flours I've gotten. So last time we did the online Nourished Festival, I ended up getting so much stuff I gave away quite a bit of it. This time I'm going to try and test out a lot of these flours so that you guys know what bakes really good, and how some of these different flours perform. These are really good. So these are chocolate spreads by Let-Go. Let me grab the other ones. So they have 4 different flavors. This is caramel and sea salt, Belgian dark chocolate spread, Caribbean banana, and coconut. So these are a little bit like Nutella, but these are made without nuts or hazelnuts. They are made in a facility where tree nuts and milk may be present. So if you have any concerns about cross-contamination, just check the label on this. So this is kind of a nut-free alternative to Nutella. It is gluten-free and non-GMO, and it's made in Belgium. This does have soy lecithin in it, but that's the only soy ingredient in these. We have opened the caramel and sea salt and the dark chocolate, and they're really good. It's almost, the texture is not quite like Nutella. It's a little bit more like chocolate caramel sauce, kind of. It's really good. So these are good options if you're looking for something as an alternative to Nutella. These are Blake's seed-based bars. They have a couple different kinds of bars. These are all nut-free and gluten-free and vegan, etc. So they have snack bars that are made with seeds and fruit. And so these are not nut-based. So these are good for people with nut allergies because they're also made in a nut-free facility. So they have several flavors, like they have blueberry, lemon, raspberry. They also make the strawberry Rice Krispie treat and the chocolate chip Rice Krispie treat. And the Rice Krispie treats are one of their newer products. I have not been able to try these because I'm actually allergic to pumpkin seeds, and these do have pumpkin seeds in them. But I will let my kids try these and let you guys know what they think. I'm also trying out the Remedies, some of their supplements. So they sent me several supplements to try, and I'll show you guys all of the ones I'm trying. So Brain Awakening, Muscle Ease, Adult Sinus, the Bone Health Advanced, and the True Energy. So the ones I have actually tried so far, I haven't tried Brain Awakening or the Bone Health, but I have tried the Adult Sinus, and I actually have used up the entire bottle. You can take these for up to 5 times a day, 2 capsules up to 5 times a day. So I've taken these to help with my sinus headaches for the last couple weeks, and so I've actually used up the entire bottle. It works really good for sinuses, helping with sinus headaches and stuff. I have kind of a histamine intolerance a little bit, so certain foods like avocados and chocolate tend to give me sinus headaches. And so I've been using this and along with ibuprofen or whatever, and this does seem to help quite a bit. Muscle Ease I've also been using this too, and it's a blend of magnesium and potassium, trace minerals, and then some herbs like dong quai and skullcap and different things like that. It also works really well. I've tried this a couple times. I haven't really done a lot of testing with this one yet, so I'm going to try this out some more. But the True Energy, one thing I really like about it is it doesn't have green tea extract in it like a lot of energy supplements do, and because I'm sensitive to green tea extract for some reason. It has vitamin B6, it has adaptogens like ginseng and rhodiola, and some other things in there too. So the Red Remedies products are gluten-free, allergy-friendly. They don't have things like nuts or soy in them either. So the Mom's Place gluten-free mixes, and they also have regular flour, and I'm going to test these out too over the next month or two. So this one is the blueberry muffins with crumble topping, soft pretzels, soft molasses cookies, cinnamon swirl buns, and we also got a couple bags of their licorice, which we already ate, and it was delicious. We got the strawberry licorice and the regular red licorice, and they were both very good. And then we got a cream of celery soup mix. So the cream of celery soup mix doesn't have dairy in it, so you can mix this with, any of your dairy-free milk or, cream substitutes to make soup with that. So that is dairy-free. It's look really good, and I've heard good things about the soft pretzels. So we're gonna make some of these and try them out over the next few weeks, kind of test them, and we'll keep you guys posted on that. The last one is the Otto's cassava flour. The last time we also got a bag of their cassava flour, and you can make grain-free tortillas, you can do all kinds of stuff with this. I haven't tried it out yet, but I'm going to try out the grain-free tortillas. And this is certified gluten-free, paleo, vegan, non-GMO, and top 8 allergen-free. And I am going to probably today or tomorrow make some cookies. They just released this cookie mix. So this is a grain-free cookie mix, and the ingredients are cassava flour, brown sugar, regular sugar, baking soda, and sea salt. And I'm going to include a picture of the ingredients for this as well. So to make the cookies, you need an egg. We can use an egg replacer. I'm going to try making this with an egg replacer and see how they turn out. Butter or dairy-free alternative, vanilla, and so pretty simple. I'm going to give these a try. We got 2 packages of these, so I'll keep you guys posted on how this turns out, but I'm really excited to try this. They also sent some really good recipes to use the cassava flour and a conversion chart. Let me know if you guys have any questions about these products or the ingredients. I'm going to try them out. If you have tried these brands, keep me posted. Tell me what you think about them, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.